Have you ever spent hours sending out resumes only to receive no response from recruiters? Or opened a PDF file and realized that making even the smallest edit feels impossible? Maybe you've tried updating a document only to see the formatting break, the layout shift unexpectedly, or the entire file become difficult to manage. Now, imagine dealing with dozens of PDFs every day: contracts, invoices, reports, receipts, resumes, and other important documents. In today's video, I'm introducing Wondershare PDFelement, a powerful PDF management solution designed to simplify the way you work with documents. Whether you need to update your resume, convert files into different formats, or use AI to quickly analyze lengthy documents, PDFelement offers tools that can help streamline the entire process. To get started, open the description below this video and click the Wondershare PDFelement download link. Download the software, install it on your device, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll be greeted by a clean and easy-to-navigate dashboard. The interface is designed to be beginner-friendly, making it simple to access the tools you need. Right from the home screen, you'll find options such as Edit PDF, Convert PDF, OCR PDF, Summarize PDF, Batch PDF, and several other features that make document management much more efficient. Let's begin by exploring the Edit PDF feature. Simply select Edit PDF and upload your document. Once the file opens in the editing workspace, you'll have full control over its contents. You can remove text, insert new information, replace words, adjust formatting, apply bold or italic styling, and make changes throughout the document with ease. In other words, your PDF becomes completely editable. While PDF editing is incredibly useful, that's not the feature I want to focus on today. Instead, let's look at something even more practical, using AI to improve and optimize your resume. Imagine you're applying for a new job. You find a position online that interests you, open the listing, and copy the job description from the employer's website. Next, return to PDFelement. One of the standout features here is the built-in AI chat assistant. Simply paste the job description into the AI chat window and enter a prompt like, "Analyze this job description and suggest improvements I should make to my resume for this position." After clicking the Generate button, the AI begins processing your request. Within a few moments, it provides a detailed analysis of the job posting and offers specific recommendations for improving your resume. These suggestions may include additional technical skills to highlight, achievements and metrics to emphasize, relevant certifications to add, risk management experience to showcase, and other enhancements that can help strengthen your application. If you'd like to dive deeper into the recommendations, you can review the generated analysis page by page and examine each suggestion individually. Once you've gone through the feedback, you can update your resume accordingly, ensuring it aligns more closely with the employer's requirements and expectations. This is where PDFelement's AI capabilities truly stand out. But the platform offers much more than resume optimization. On the left-hand side, you can see several tabs such as Home, Comment, Edit, Convert, and more. Let's explore them one by one. In the Home section, you get zoom in and zoom out options. You can also use the highlighter with different colors to mark important content. Multiple shapes, lines, arrows, and other annotation tools are available as well. Next, we have the Comment tab. Here, you can use tools like highlight, pencil, eraser, underline, strike through, and squiggly line. You can also add text comments and use different shapes to annotate your document. If we move to the Edit tab, you can easily edit your PDF. You can delete existing text, add new text, make it bold or italic, change colors, adjust fonts, and customize the formatting however you like. PDFelement makes PDF editing simple and fully flexible. You can also add a watermark in just a few clicks. Simply insert your watermark and save the file. Next is the Convert feature. It allows you to convert your PDF into multiple formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, text files, and more. The View tab lets you open and read your document in different viewing modes. Next, we have the Rewrite feature. It's very simple to use if you want to improve or rewrite any text. Just select the text and you'll see the AI option appear. Click on it and you'll find multiple AI-powered tools such as Rewrite, Explain, Summarize, Grammar Check, AI Writing, and more. For this example, I'll select Rewrite. The AI will instantly generate an improved version of the text. Once the rewritten text is ready, simply click Replace Original Text and it will automatically update the selected content. This makes it incredibly easy to rewrite, refine, and enhance your text using the AI capabilities built into Wondershare PDFelement. You can also change backgrounds and try the AI read mode for a better reading experience. In the Organize tab, you can rotate pages, split PDFs, insert pages, crop documents, and manage your files efficiently. Finally, we have the Tools section. Here you will find useful features such as OCR, Combine PDF, Compress PDF, Compare Files, and more. To use OCR, simply upload your file and click the OCR option. The software will process the document and you can select your preferred language. Once the OCR process is complete, the text inside scanned images becomes searchable and editable. This makes it easy to modify scanned documents with just a few clicks. If you explore the Tools panel, you'll discover a wide variety of features, including editing tools, file conversion tools, document creation tools, batch processing functions, and multiple AI-powered utilities designed to help you work more efficiently with PDFs. Another feature worth mentioning is the Templates section. By opening the Templates library, you'll gain access to a large collection of professionally designed, ready-to-use templates. Overall, Wondershare PDFelement serves as a complete PDF solution for editing, organizing, converting, and improving documents. It also provides valuable AI tools that can help optimize resumes and simplify document-related tasks. If you're currently applying for jobs, managing business documents, or regularly working with PDFs, PDFelement is definitely worth exploring. I hope you found this overview useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.